Meaning of dry land.
Dry land.
Dry land.
Dry land.
Dry land. Dry land refers to any area that is not covered by water, such as ground, soil, or land that has not been submerged by water. It can also refer to areas that are not subject to flooding, such as hills or higher ground. The term is often used in the context of geography, geology, and environmental science to describe areas that are suitable for human habitation, agriculture, and other activities that require stable ground. The concept of dry land is important for understanding ecosystems, water management, and the impact of climate change on land use.